ready to transform your ideas into stunning visual stories. Let's dive into the powerful world of Nano Banana and unlock your video creation potential. Nano Banana makes video creation incredibly accessible. We'll start by uploading your media. Simply drag and drop your video clips, images, and audio files directly into the project workspace. Once your assets are in, it's time to build your timeline. Drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You can easily adjust their duration by clicking and dragging the edges of each clip. Think of this as your visual storyboard. Editing is where the magic truly happens. Nano Banana offers a suite of intuitive editing tools to trim unwanted sections of a clip. Simply position the playhead where you want to cut and use the split tool. Then you can delete the excess portion. Want to combine clips seamlessly? Nano Banana's transition library has you covered. Select the point between two clips. Choose from a variety of smooth transitions like fades, wipes, or dissolves, and watch your edits come to life. Play around with different options to find what best suits your content. Adding text and titles is a breeze. Navigate to the text tool. Select your desired font, color, size, and position directly on the video preview. You can even animate your text for a dynamic touch, making your messages pop. Elevate your visuals further with Nano Banana's effects and filters. Explore the effects panel to apply color corrections, adjust brightness and contrast, or add stylistic filters that match the mood of your video. Think of these as your digital paintbrush for your footage. Audio is crucial for engagement. Import your background music or sound effects and drag them onto the audio track on your timeline. You can adjust the volume levels for both your clips and your music to ensure a balanced and polished sound, fine-tuned to perfection. Finally, when your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export. Choose your desired resolution and file format. Then click Export. Nano Banana will render your video, ready to be shared across all your favorite platforms and captivate your audience.